There's gotta be a name for
Bloopers.
for chicks that are. Where are you going?
Oh,
Go straight, guy. There's got to be a name for chicks with headphones on.
oh yeah.
That when you know how they try to ignore everybody.
And they probably don't even have music.
And then you know she's concentrating on some music, and she looks over and there's a big fat camera in her face.
They're like mine. So.
You know, I used to, you know, girls used to come up to the van because they were nosy and show-offy, like spring break.
Oh really?
And that's right around the corner. I'm looking forward to that. You know, but now girls are scared of cameras.
Well, you should get a big like bang bus like magnet that you can just throw on when it's like a really like party scenario and just fucking like attract them in, like all the slutty ones. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but then but then you're not getting real girls. You're like you're getting, you know, you're gonna spend all day getting bitches in the van that don't actually fuck.
Yeah,
they just want to show off a little, which sometimes is not a bad idea.
Yeah.
Because at least they'll show titties and stuff.
Yeah.
Well, that's why we got the magnet. Then we can peel it.
I mean, we're gonna be just fine today, but you know, we talked to 4 girls already, and they're all cool. They just didn't want to. They weren't down to fuck. That happens.
Oh, you know what would reel them in? A boom. Bring a boom mic. They see the boom mic, they think it's fucking.
You think a boom mic?
I think that would draw them in, man.
There's a girl right here.
Man. Ooh, she got fat ass, baby. Fat ass.
Here, pull up to the stop sign. Pull up to the stop sign. Yeah, and just pull in here. Hey, really quick, Bruce. Just jump out. Really fast. Don't freak her out. But she's pretty. Just go say hello and tell her. Just bullshit with her. Dude, she's not interested in you, dude. Not at all. She's like one of those South Beach bitches that just she's too popular. You're the popular type, aren't you?
You look popular.
Are you part of the popular crew? You don't pay rent, do you?
The me crew.
It's free.
What?
You live.
Rent?
Yeah, it's free. You don't have to pay
rent
for
like
it.
everybody else.
You don't pay rent.
Who pays your rent? Really? You got a sugar daddy then.
How much is your rent?
Don't worry about it.
Oh, come on. I'm sorry. I'm Preston. I'm just fucking with you.
Mandy.
Or actually, what's your name?
Mandy.
Oh, sexy Mandy. I like that. Very pretty. You're super pretty.
Thank you.
You have like some type of style going on, but your shirt doesn't match your glasses.
Okay.
I'm just saying. But your shirt matches. Your glasses match your bra.
Okay.
So we see where you're going with it. You do have style after all. Right?
Yeah, you've got some style. Do you watch public television at all? Like
yeah, sometimes, maybe.
Do you? I mean, do you realize?
I'm not
do you know?
really at home.
You don't know who we are?
No, not really.
Oh man, so you don't watch TV much?
Not really. I'm barely home, so.
Have you ever wanted to be on TV?
What do you do for a living?
That's none of your concern.
Okay, well you passed the test. You stood here for 10 seconds with us.
You're the man, dude.
What's up? You see? This guy fucking knows.
Hey, please put me on that video, dude. You're the fucking man.
You don't understand. Yeah, what's up, man? It's a public station.
Yeah,
it's something that's actually pretty cool. I don't have a card on me, man. I appreciate it though. What's your number? I'm actually trying to pick this girl up right now.
Oh, I see. Well, I want to get in your way, but if you got any other jobs, because I was thinking about an idea.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what.
I just go on my way.
You know what? Let the driver help you out with it.
Yeah. If it's not that sunny in the van.
What do you think? $100? Do you have? Question. Do you have 20 minutes?
I mean, I guess I was kind of on my way somewhere, but.
I mean, can I show you something creepy? Can I open up the doors to my office?
It sounds kind of weird.
I know, but how about here? Come check it out.
Okay.
Okay.
Check this out. Check out all the signatures in this van. Oh, by the way, it's a van with no seats in it.
And I was looking, guys, you know what they're doing with the camera. You know, but
we'd love your to sign our wall, though.
Yeah, I know.
You look like artistic, you know.
Do you know the Jackass crew?
No.
You never heard of Jackass?
No, I mean, I barely watch TV. I'm ever home. I mean, I'm either at the beach or walking around.
You don't look like you go to the beach much. I mean,
I don't. I mean,
I'm white and I'm tanner than you are.
I mean,
your skin is soft.
I maintain more on my ass.
Can I shake your hand again? Because I want to ask you a question.
Why?
What does it mean when a guy does this?
When I was little, they used to say it mean they wanted to fuck.
When you were little?
Yeah.
Creepy. What?
When I was like 12, 11.
Oh my gosh, forget it then.
We don't-
Yeah, no. It's a Latin way of saying, yeah, I do want to fuck. But how old are you?
Me, I'm 19.
Okay, so your name is Mandy, you're 19 years old, you're super pretty, you're married.
No.
Kids?
Yeah, got one.
You have a kid?
Yeah.
19, you have a kid? Bruce has 3 kids.
Yeah, you know, I'm working on like a 7th, but you know.
You got 3, you want 7?
No, I just have 4 different chicks knocked up at the same time.
Oh, okay.
He's kidding with you.
No.
He's just totally joking. But you really do have a kid?
Yes, I do.
Do you have like any stretch marks or
Oh,
scars
no,
or
that's
anything?
disgusting. No.
I'm just wondering.
No, that's disgusting.
Did you
Horrible.
get cut open? Like
No, she came out naturally.
really?
Yeah.
Did you
Just have to take your
breastfeed?
word for that, or?
Yeah,
This
she
is
was-
so fucked up.
Oh,
Dude.
okay, yeah, no, that's actually really. Oh, sorry. Oh, she's cool with that. I can touch.
She's not cool with that. You're touching her.
Yeah, man, look at she's good.
So real quick, long story short, we hang out with you for 30 minutes. We pay you $200. Do you realize I was gonna give you 100 and now I'm already dropping 200?
Oh,
Everybody could use $200, right? Towards
I guess.
rent. But here's the creepy thing. We actually drive around South Beach and we have to interview you in there. You have to sell us your bra and then you can move on with your life.
okay. You want me to go braless in the street?
No, not on the street. We could drop you off wherever you need.
It's okay, I go topless at the beach, so.
You go topless?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know tan lines?
No, not really.
Show me. You don't have a tan period.
I don't.
You know
But
how
I'm
pretty it
always
was
topless,
though? That was so pretty when you did that. Super pretty.
Thanks.
Okay, well, I don't know what else to ask. I think she's
She
down.
said she was getting in the car, so let's just run with that.
Okay.
Okay, alright, creepiness is about to begin. Go ahead and get in the van.
Biggest interview of your life.
I know, right?
Oh man. Finally,
Man, she's
our first
beautiful,
victim.
Bro. She's
No, I'm
beautiful.
kidding.
Good one.
Oh,
Bye.